Most people get this wrong. They think Cashik is just another payday advance or BNPL app, but the surprising truth in 2026 is that Cashik is a versatile financial tool, offering early wage access, installment payment options, and spending tracking features all in one platform. When used responsibly, it can help manage short-term cash flow without falling into high-interest debt traps. Here's how Cashik works. First, you can access part of your earned wages before payday, often within hours. This is ideal for unexpected bills or emergencies. Second, eligible purchases can be split into manageable installments over several weeks, with flat, predictable fees instead of interest, making budgeting easier. Cashik also provides dashboards, reminders, and notifications, so you can track payments and monitor spending. These tools reduce late fees and encourage responsible usage. The downside, overusing Cashik can become expensive. Relying too heavily on advances or installment plans, or missing payments, can quickly add up. It might also mask underlying financial challenges instead of addressing them. Tips for responsible use. 1. Only request advances or installment plans you can repay on time. 2. Turn on notifications for upcoming payments. 3. Maintain a small emergency fund to reduce dependency. Who benefits most? Individuals with steady income who occasionally need short-term cash or want help managing larger purchases. People with irregular income or weak repayment discipline could end up paying more than they save. In conclusion, Cashik in 2026 is a convenient and practical tool, but only if used responsibly. Track fees, plan repayments, and treat it as a short-term solution. Subscribe for more honest financial app reviews and actionable money tips.